Stained glass reached its height of popularity during the medieval and Renaissance times. Windows in the shape of a circle that featured radial symmetry are called rose windows. The Cathedral of Notre Dame in Paris is famous for its intricate rose windows. Let's start making our own rose-colored window by painting a coffee filter. When you get a coffee filter, take a moment, put your name on it so we can make sure that you get yours back. And as you get your coffee filter, use some of the watercolors and start painting on top of your filter. You'll notice that I have a mat underneath my project. Make sure that you do the same because the liquid watercolor will go through the filter and it'll go through onto the table. So just go ahead and put it onto a mat just to be on the safe side and paint your filter however you want. You could paint the filter with different colors that radiate from the center, but any kind of pattern or design that you want to put is totally up to you. Now that you've got your project completely full of watercolor, set that onto the drying rack and let that dry. It's fully saturated. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Now let's get started on making the frame of our window. As you take your tracer, cut out the circle shape that's provided so that your frame for your window matches the same size as your coffee filter. Once you've cut that out, I want you to fold it into thirds. So it's like folding it in half. And then from the center, I'm trying to make distant triangles. So I'm looking visually at those two triangles and trying to make them the same size. I also have some patterns over on the table if you'd like to use those as you guide your fold making. I hope that that'll help. But those are my goals on that part of the project, is to fold it into equal or as equal pieces as I can. Now use your pencil to draw a line just inside of the arched edge of your folded circle. This line means no cutting is to extend beyond that line. It's important to create a nice round border for your window. Now go ahead and cut out and draw some interesting shapes that could be drawn inside that space. You want to leave enough space and make your inner decorative cuts however you would like. When you are done cutting out your designs, open your circle. Now that I've got my intricate designs cut out and I began to open up my circles, be careful with that step as you open. You'll have a really cool, radially balanced, rose-colored window. And now it's time to take my coffee filter that has paint on it that's been dried and assemble the two together. Dot, dot, not a lot. You should not use a lot of glue on this step, just a few dots here and there. And glue the pieces together to mount your rose-colored windows together. I know that this project is a lot of fun and I think it's going to look really cool right in front of a window. I also noticed that when I glued mine down, my name got covered up on the other side, so I'm just going to rewrite my name. And now it's ready for display. Have fun, everyone. Thanks for watching.